Have you ever thought about day trading and living the life of absolute freedom? Have you ever tried day trading but were met with failure and losses? Do you want to learn how to trade successfully but don't know where to start? Well, come check out what the J. Lewis Trading Team is doing to get people informed and consistently profitable. The J. Lewis Trading Team has developed a unique program that is highly focused on the success of our students. With unlimited access to the lifetime membership that is rich with trading course content, you'll also receive invites to our Ask a Trader webinar that we host twice a week. The best part is you'll also receive ongoing one-on-one mentoring. That's right, ongoing one-on-one mentoring where you'll have direct access to your trading coach. The J. Lewis Trading mantra is simply, your success is the strength of our trading community. If you're ready to jumpstart your trading career, then contact us at info@jlewistrading.com.